What's really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency? We're looking at XRP price action, still trapped in this phase of sideways here. Price is currently interacting with resistance overhead. We have $1.26 at the moment, the 0.618 FIBA monopoly level, giving us a hard time in the immediate short term. Previous interactions with this level as resistance throughout the sort of weeks of August here have sent price action back down to this potential bullish area of accumulation between $1.09 all the way down to $1.05, currently the 0.5 FIBA rigatoni line. And so at the moment we are trapped in this range of sideways here. Consolidation and accumulation is occurring. Watch out for a potential bullish area of accumulation within this range down below here as we continue to get trapped sideways here by overhead resistance. I do believe I'm still bullish on continued upside and the uptrend overall. We are making our way up to my immediate short-term target here. $1.55 per XRP is still going to be the next significant area of resistance I am expecting interaction with moving forward. Once we've confirmed that level as support, we can use it as a bullish area of accumulation and anticipate continued upside as long as we're still supported by bullish Robo advisors. And so as you can see, the Buy2 and Moon have come into play ever since the 3rd of November here. Now all three of our chosen Robo advisors are bullish on price action as we near the end of this phase of sideways. If we consider prices all the way back in August, we can consider this a very larger phase of sideways and accumulation here. Lots of momentum building for the uptrend in the longer term. In my opinion, we are just establishing these final areas of support. Prices above the 200 daily moving average suggest an uptrend overall as well. We have bullish Robo advisors. Price action just needs to confirm an area of support, which I do believe will be between my $1.09 level all the way down to $1.05. Bullish interactions with this 200 daily moving average would be healthy for the uptrend as well. However, the most bullish area of accumulation and the strongest area of potential technical support is waiting for us all the way down at 95 cents per XRP. In my opinion, that is going to be the strongest area of support down below. We do have lots of buy pressure all along the way if we were to experience any sort of downside here. However, I do believe continued upside is upon us here, and a break upward is soon to present itself. However, we wait for these technical key confirmations. When we look at our previous buy signals, we have a buy 2 on the 26th, buy 4 on the 27th of July of this year. After accumulation, we experienced up to 118% in gains over the following 41 days on XRP with EngineeringRobo's buy signals easily, well over doubling your money, and you were still able to capitalize on 75% ROI. When EngineeringRobo's sell signals came into play, and when those sell signals showed up, we did experience up to 23% in short-term downside there over the following weeks before another bullish area of accumulation presented itself, which has appeared to be near current levels ever since the beginning of October here. So price action still looking very bullish in my opinion. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different Robo advisors available, and once 2 of your chosen 3 Robo advisors give you a buy or sell suggestion, you can use that to better determine your entries or exits. And so at the moment we are supported by lots of bullish factors, Robo advisors, and technical indicators suggesting continued upside. We are just looking for further interactions with support before we break overhead resistance. Let me know down below what you're doing with XRP moving forward now. DUSK against Tether, the Dusk Network coin. Price action making its way upward here, experiencing some very bullish upside ever since a bullish area of accumulation back throughout the second week of October near 18 cents per Dusk. After bullish area of accumulation presented itself, we experienced up to 97% in upside in the following sort of 29 days there, easily almost doubling our money after EngineeringRobo became bullish. And currently still no sell signals in play suggest continued upside here. However, I do believe a strong move upward like that in such a short amount of time may require some sideways or interaction with support before the uptrend can continue. So at the moment we are looking for continued buy pressure off of this potential area of support. 27 cents per dusk does seem to be a potential key area of support here, in my opinion. Continued buy pressure off of it. Daily candles opening and closing above it would potentially confirm it as a bullish area of accumulation. Failure to hold it, though, would bring us all the way down to potentially 19 cents per dusk. I do believe that could be another area of buy pressure waiting for us. The strongest area of support, however, is all the way down at 15 cents. In my opinion, that is going to be the strongest area of support. I do believe price action is still making its way upward here. Once support has been found, we are likely to have an interaction with this 37-cent technical resistance level. In my opinion, that is going to be a significant area of resistance we will likely need to see a breakthrough and confirmation of as support before the uptrend can continue. We are still bullish on continued upside. We are supported by buy signals. We are just looking for continued support and waiting for a break of this resistance overhead. Let me know down below what you're doing with this coin at current level. Now, this is Holochain coin. Price action making its way upward here in this phase of sideways as we find support. Looking for a bullish interaction with potential key area of technical support here within this 1 cent level. The 0.011741 level technically is going to be the key area we want to confirm as support. We're looking for a bullish area of accumulation near it. Currently, price action is experiencing, resistance and sell pressure off of this 0.15515 key level here. We're waiting for price action to break to and through, open and close above it to confirm it as potential support. As we make our way up to this, 2 cent level, 0.027269 is going to be my sort of immediate short-term target for this coin moving forward once support has been established and we've broken this current overhead resistance. And so at the moment we are looking for continued support. We also have this 0.382 Fibba rigatoni level giving us buy pressure down below as well. So watch out for continued support off of that key level. Price action has been bullish ever since the within the first week of October here. We have the buy 1 coming into play on the 2nd of October, the buy 4 on the 5th. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, and ever since accumulation we've experienced up to 71% in upside over the following 30 days. Currently sitting on 36% in gains at current levels with no sell signals present. Does suggest continued upside may be upon us here. Watch out for continued interactions with support. Looking for a break of this overhead resistance, and my target is still going to be the 0.027 level. Let me know what you're doing with this coin currently. Now, IOTX against USDT, IOTX coin. Price action experiencing some very bullish gains here after some bullish robo advisors came into play throughout the first week of October. A bullish area of accumulation presented itself here around 7 cents, and then after accumulation, EngineeringRobo members experienced up to 259% in gains over the following 38 days, and with no sell signals in play, we can expect continued upside here once we have established support. However, after tripling your money in such a short amount of time, I do believe traders will be taking profit. We will be likely experiencing sell pressure for a period of time before support is found and the uptrend can continue. We are supported by some, very bullish robo advisors in play at the moment. All 3 of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action. So when support has been further solidified, we can anticipate continued upside here. And so in my opinion, we're looking for a potential interaction with this 14 cent level. 0.14963 is going to be the key level I'm looking for a bullish interaction with as support. Daily candles opening and closing above it would further confirm it as support. Right now, we are just looking a tad overbought, in my opinion. I do believe the uptrend is very much in play and the buy pressure is very much present, and this coin does have the potential to see some very serious gains in a very short amount of time. So high volatility at current levels, in my opinion. Watch out for overhead resistance and wait for the interactions with support. Let me know what you're doing with this coin at current levels, if you're holding your bag still or if you sold at the top. Now, Ethereum. Price action still looking for support, currently experiencing buy pressure off of most recently added key level here, $4,602 per Ethereum, currently still experiencing support off of it, which is bullish for us. We also have a more bullish area of support, in my opinion, $4,377, in addition to $4,203 all the way down to $3,923. So some very strong support for us in any sort of short-term downside we experience. I do believe the buy pressure is very much in play, as you can see, and the demand for Ethereum is very high at current levels. So we're looking for continued support, in my opinion. Let me know down below where you think Ethereum will go. It's very hard to be bearish on Ethereum at current levels, in my opinion, but Bitcoin returning into this phase of accumulation, sideways, and consolidation, momentum building, allowing the buy pressure necessary for some very euphoric upside once we are free from resistance overhead. $64,826 per Bitcoin is currently experiencing resistance for us, giving us a hard time, keeping us sideways. I do believe this is very bullish for the uptrend overall. Any sort of sideways or downside we experience is very healthy for the uptrend, and I do believe these are going to be some very bullish areas to be accumulating Bitcoin before we see some very unfathomable levels here. Look out for a potential interaction off of present strong area of buy pressure waiting for us, $60,809 per Bitcoin. However, in my opinion, technically the strongest area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $58,800 per Bitcoin. So lots of denominations here with $800 involved. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. It's very hard to be bearish at current levels, in my opinions. Let me know if you're accumulating through these dips and buying the swing lows here. Are you shorting these tops with anticipation of Bitcoin heading to zero? I still anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin within the coming short weeks to months here. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.